Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we have the Tusk Billet fire extinguisher mount. This is a patented design that we are really happy with. And look, I've said this in a lot of videos. A fire extinguisher is one of those safety accessories every vehicle should have on it. And there's a couple of reasons why we like this one so much and why you should have it on your side-by-side. And one is, it's just a good looking fire extinguisher mount. It's made from 6061 T6 billet aluminum, black anodized finish. The stainless steel clamps will come included. But the second and most important reason that we like this fire extinguisher mount is how quickly and easily you can remove it if you have to use it. Whether it's you, your passenger, maybe you have kids with you and you have an accident and you or your wife or whoever, your husband can't get to it and one of the kids needs to get it off, well, it's easy for them to do. And the way it works is very simple. You have this red handle right here. I'm simply just gonna pull up and it pops right off. So in less than a second, you can remove this. You have access to it to use it if needed. And what's nice too about this design is that it's self-aligning. So when you go to put this back on, it's literally just a one-handed operation. So I'm just gonna take it, slide it in, and it pops right back into place. So again, it's a design that we're really happy with. It looks good, super easy to use. So if you don't have a mount or a fire extinguisher on your side-by-side, this is the setup that you need. Now, a couple other things to keep in mind as far as fitment goes. So this is the Kidda 2.5 pound ABC fire extinguisher that we have on here. Now you can buy this mount by itself or you can buy this whole setup as a kit if you don't already have a fire extinguisher. These clamps will work with a 2 3/4 up to a 3.5 inch diameter. And then the roll cage clamps are gonna work for roll cages from 1.5 up to 2 inches. But if you have questions, comments, we'll get those answered for you. Make sure to just leave those down below. But to grab your setup today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to always stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.